my project on the capacitive touching or sensing. So here's my starter code, and it starts with basic setup and some variables, some setups that I did. And after that, here comes the part where I'm just taking the value from taking the value and just lighting up the LEDs. So I'm just storing the value on this variable, and I'm just putting that in a loop so that it's on when I'm running it. So let's go ahead and run this code. Okay, so right now, let me show you the board. Right now the green LED is on and the red LED it is off. So let me see this. Okay, so let me touch it with just one finger on the green wire over here. The red LED, it lights up and it is blinking right now. Not sure if you can see it very well. So yeah, here the red LED which is blinking, and now I'm turning into two fingers, so it's blinking a little faster. After that, I'm going into my full fist so that it will like blinking faster. Do this. Yep, that is like when I'm doing the full fist, it's blinking at the highest speed. Okay, and thank you, that was it. Thank you.